Sometimes it's good to step out of your routine and give your brain a proper workout. Try swapping white paper for black. Some subjects simply look much better on a dark surface. But be prepared, you'll need to think in the complete opposite way than you're used to. Traditional watercolors are transparent. The white paper shines through and gives the paint its luminosity. On a black surface, though, they'll be practically invisible. The watercolor pigment simply gets lost in the darkness of the paper. But there's a simple trick. Mix a little white gouache or opaque white watercolor into your favorite watercolor paints. This gives the paint opacity, making it visible even on dark paper. This approach, however, forces you into a completely different way of thinking when you paint. And that's exactly the point of today's exercise. In watercolor painting, you paint the darks and preserve the light. When painting on black paper, you preserve the darks and paint the light. This shift in how you think about painting is a fascinating thing to experience. So instead of deepening the shadows, try pulling light out of the darkness. Even though this isn't pure watercolor painting in the strict sense, it's a closely related technique and a great exercise that's absolutely worth trying. Tips for painting with gouache on black paper. Sketching on black paper. A regular pencil won't show on black paper, so use a light-colored watercolor pencil for your sketch. You can also use masking fluid while painting. Use it to mask off areas that should stay pure black. But before applying it, test whether you can peel it off the paper cleanly. Not every black paper is made for watercolor techniques, so the masking fluid may behave differently. When mixing your colors, try working on a black palette. A dark mixing surface will give you a more accurate preview of how the paint will look on the paper. Wet paint on black paper looks much brighter when you apply it than after it dries. Keep this in mind and don't be afraid to go bolder and lighter with your colors, because the final result will always dry more muted. When painting with gouache, use less water than you would with watercolor. A dry brush or just a slightly damp brush often works better than a wet one, and it also means less buckling. This matters especially if you're using regular paper that isn't specifically designed for watercolor. You can get specialty black watercolor paper, but for a few experiments, it's probably not worth buying. It's refreshing to paint a dark painting every now and then. When you work on white paper all the time, switching to black forces you to think differently, and that's exactly what keeps your creativity alive. So give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments whether you've ever tried painting on black paper. Bye, and see you in the next video!